Hey guys, Hash here from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video on OnePlus 8 series. Today OnePlus 8 Pro camera specs were leaked, which will be arrived with a Sony IMX689 sensor. The similar sensor has also seen on Oppo Find X2 Pro. Anyway, thanks to Ishan Agarwal. Well, the OnePlus 8 Pro said to come up with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, another 48 megapixel wide-angle sensor, a typical 8 megapixel telephoto sensor and a 5 megapixel depth sensor, but still not confirmed yet. As per Agarwal, the primary snapper will come up with a f1.78 aperture and secondary 14 megapixel dedicated to having a f2.2 lens, which will include an ultra wide angle camera. However, a 8 megapixel telephoto shooter has the Sony IMX586 sensor that will provide a 120-degree FOV. It offers 3x optical zoom and capable of 13x digital zoom. However, there is no periscope camera. Moreover, according to Ishan Agarwal, OnePlus will offer improved OIS and EIS for good measure, a new 3D HDR video and more cinematic effects. The high-end OnePlus 8 Pro come up with a 6.78 AMOLED display, should have curved size and a punch hole instead of the pop-up camera setup. Besides, there will be a 16 megapixel selfie snapper. Moreover, the phone powered by latest Snapdragon 865 chipset and will support a 5G connectivity. Under the hood, battery capacity is set to 4510 mAh that support 30-watt normal wired charging as well as reverse charging and no wireless charging. So let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus 8 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the OnePlus device, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamashkar from Hashtag.